Can you even see? Oh, it's all right there. See it? It's all brush fire. Can we drive through this? Okay.
That's awesome.
Can you even see?
Oh yeah, I see it right there.
I know, but I mean, are we gonna get caught in it right here? I mean, if it's like,
Whoa.
if it's burning right here, well, let's go. Holy crap! Let's not drive through this.
We have no choice.
No. Let's back through.
Oh, we're fine. Dude, this is like a haunted house. Holy cow. Man, you can smell them.
Feel that heat too.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Someone probably said that too.
Well, that's a cool part of the trip.